So the plan for today, we have this light there. It does not work. The wiring harness on the Bug is trash. So what we have here is these Auxbeam 12-inch LED bars and the harness for it. So the plan is, for now, we're just gonna mount it how that one is. So just putting one bolt through there and having two of these on there. So it'll be super bright and hopefully we can see at night now. We're gonna scrap that idea. We're actually gonna mount the light right here in the middle onto this plastic thing that's on there. So what we're gonna do is the wire, we're gonna run it through the hole here, and then we're gonna put the mount onto this screw, so it should be lined up straight in the middle. So let's get to it. And for the wiring harness, I'm just gonna follow the original wiring. It goes all the way to the back and to the battery, which you cannot see, but it's there, I promise. So what we're gonna do is take off this screw because that's where we're gonna put our mount at. Okay, so the mount is on now. Now we just have to line it up down here with the screws. So now we're just gonna put the light onto the mount itself. For the mount in the back to tighten it so it's not moving, you're gonna need some Allen wrenches. And I'm using the size 5/32. So I'm gonna tighten it up now and hopefully it stops moving. Okay, so it's on now, it's solid, it's not going anywhere. So let's finish up the wiring. So right now for the wiring, what I have done is I zip tied it along the main wire harness, and now we just need to connect it to the battery. How are we gonna do this, Chris?
I'm thinking just to go right in there.
Oh, take it off. Okay, take off the terminal and just put them on.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey, can we get some comments on this battery strap?
So that's it for the battery, just positive, negative. It's already fused, so I don't have to worry about that. There's also a relay too, so we're good to go. We just gotta zip tie this over here, and that's it. So now that we have power, the light's connected, last thing to do is to connect the switch. So the switch, I think we're gonna run it through this hole. Hopefully it fits. That's good. So then you just pull it through. And then it has a little sticky pad on the back, so we're just gonna stick it on right there. But on the bottom down here, so this just clips right in. We're gonna clean it up, put a zip tie on there, and we'll be good to go. You should probably clean this with some like alcohol or degreaser or something. But I think it'll be fine. What do you think?
It'll be fine.
We're just gonna stick it on there. And look, we got light on, and that means that there is power going to the switch. So we're good to go. So let's go ahead and test it out. Turn it on. Oh yeah, she's bright, man. I think that's good. What do you think?
I think we should go test it out.
I think we should too. All right, turn it on. That is bright, dude. So what, are we gonna test it on the street?
Heck yeah.
Let's go. I forgot, we cannot test it out. Chris just reminded me that we have an oil leak, so check this out. There's a bunch of oil. One of the gaskets somewhere, I don't even know where.
No, the one right behind this pulley.
Okay, the gasket behind the pulley is just spitting out oil, and it got everywhere and smoke and not good. So we cannot take it for a ride right now. But look at all that oil everywhere. So yeah. We're actually not gonna drive it, but I can assure you that these lights are freaking bright. So that's how we installed the light bar on this Bug. If you like the video, give it a like, comment, or share it with your friends. I'm a big fan of this light bar, the Auxbeam. It's actually really bright. We still have another one, but we're not sure where we're gonna put it. We might build a bracket across and put the two lights on there, or we might put a light in the back. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. It depends on if we end up building the bracket or not. But on the next video, we're gonna fix the gasket, and then we'll take it on a test drive at night so we can actually see.